Welcome. Today, I want to talk about something that silently controls your life. Something more powerful than talent, more important than luck. That is self-esteem. Not the fake confidence you show in front of others. Not the temporary motivation you feel after watching a video. But the real, deep, unshakable belief you have in yourself. Let me tell you the truth. Most people are struggling, not because they are not capable, but because they do not trust themselves. They say they will wake up early, but they don't. They say they will work hard, but they delay. They say they want success, but their actions don't match. And slowly, without realizing, they start losing respect for themselves because self-esteem is not built by what you say. It is built by what you do. Every time you break your own promise, you weaken your own identity. But every time you keep your word, even in small things, you build power inside yourself. Understand this clearly. Self-esteem is not given by the world. It is earned through discipline. You don't wake up one day and feel confident. You become confident by doing things that are uncomfortable, by waking up when you don't feel like it, by working when you want to quit, by pushing forward when things get difficult. People think confidence comes first. No, action comes first. Confidence comes later. You act, you improve. You prove to yourself that you are capable, and then confidence follows naturally. Let me ask you something. Right now, can you trust yourself? If you set a goal today, will you actually follow through? Or will you delay it, ignore it, and make excuses again? This is where most people lose. Not because they are weak, but because they are not consistent. They wait for motivation. But motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. Start small. Don't try to change your whole life in one day. Just do this. Keep one promise daily. Complete one important task. Improve just 1% every day. That's it. But do it every single day. Because small wins create big confidence. Each small victory tells your mind, I can do this. And slowly, that voice becomes stronger. Now listen carefully. Stop comparing yourself to others. Comparison destroys self-esteem. There will always be someone better than you, and someone worse than you. But that is not your competition. Your only competition is who you were yesterday. If you are improving, even slowly, you are winning. Also, stop seeking validation. The moment your happiness depends on others, you lose control over your life. You don't need approval. You need self-respect. And self-respect comes from one thing: doing what you know you should do. Yes, you will fail sometimes. Yes, you will make mistakes. But failure does not destroy self-esteem. Quitting does. Avoiding responsibility does. Running away from challenges does. So instead of fearing failure, use it. Learn from it. Grow from it. Become stronger because of it. At the end of the day, self-esteem is not about feeling good. It is about becoming strong. It is about becoming someone who says, no matter what happens, I will handle it. And when you reach that level, you don't need motivation. You don't need validation. You don't need approval. Because you have something far more powerful. You have trust in yourself. So start today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Make a promise and keep it. No matter how small. Because that is where it begins. The art of self-esteem is the art of becoming someone you respect. Thank you.